Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So, first of all, open New Message or any other area where you can access your keypad. So this is the panel that we need to open. Now mark Settings icon, click on Languages and Types, and here mark Manage Input Languages. Here, just select the one that you want to apply, unmark the unnecessary one, go back, and as you can see, it is already applied, it is already set. Obviously, then you can change it whenever you want. So, this is it, this is how you can change keyboard language. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.